I'm with new women's basketball coach Robyn Fralick, and we're starting a new tradition at Bowling Green State University. Whenever we hire a new women's basketball coach, the president is going to play a game of Falcon with the coach. Welcome to the Rogers Report. Okay, Coach, you get the first shot.
All right, this is for F?
You're up. This is for F.
Oh, power layup. Oh, almost missed.
You're up.
Oh.
Crap. That's an F.
Oh.
FA. Okay, so Coach, tell me, what are you most looking forward to this season?
Well, I love the journey of a team, and I love to see where a team starts and where it goes throughout a year. So I'm excited to see what this particular group of people can do. Is that FAL?
Yeah, that's FAL. Thank you for pointing it out. Nope. Okay, FALC?
I think so. Oh, close.
FALC.
Oh.
Tell us a little bit about some of the core values that you work to instill in your teams.
Yeah, so our program is based on 5 core values. Be a great teammate, manners matter, trust, toughness, and commitment. And what I hope you'll see is those are things we talk about every day. They're things we're living out every day, we're recognizing, and we hope that the fans can see that in both the way we play and the way we treat each other. We're gonna play an exciting style. We're gonna play hard and we're gonna play together, and we're so grateful for the support that we have here for women's basketball.
So Coach Fralick, you have had amazing success as a head basketball coach at another institution. I think the record was 104-3 in 3 seasons.
Yeah, thanks. And I think I'm about to be 105-3, and this might be the easiest win yet.
Well, we'll see about that. Let's get back to the game.
Hang it tough.
Okay, this is it.
Hanging tough. Oh.
Well, I guess we know why Robyn Fralick is the head coach of the women's basketball program. We are so excited to have Coach Fralick here. So Coach Fralick, opening, when do we open?
November 6th at Michigan State.
And is anything special about East Lansing and Michigan?
It's where I'm from. It's my hometown.
Hometown. So this will be a fun game. So we hope as many folks can join us at Michigan State. And then when do we open right here in the Stroh?
November 13th versus Marshall.
Well, I hope you will join us on this court, certainly when we open against Marshall and all of our games this season. Coach Fralick, welcome to Bowling Green State University. Catch us next month on the Rogers Report. Yes! You're up!